Hi guys, Alyssa Lynn here, and today I'm going to show you how I turned this $50 curio cabinet that I found on Facebook Marketplace into a beautiful greenhouse terrarium kind of thing. I'm really excited to show you, and I hope that this video inspires you to make something just as cool and unique to your style for your home and your houseplants. So let's get into it. So here's the cabinet. I just have it laying down. This is the back side of it. There was like a panel with mirrors and that kind of like came off, which is fine because I didn't really want the mirrors anyway. The light would be too bright from my grow lights. So yeah, I got this light broke. It fell. We had it standing up and I ran to the store and it fell. So I have to, I'm just glad that the main pane of glass didn't break. This one, so it opens up on the side, which is cool, but I didn't realize it was open and I stepped on it and I broke the glass down here. Really annoying. But I'm gonna paint this white and yeah, and then I'm gonna put some cool contact paper on the back, and we have some glass shelves and I'm really excited. So I'm gonna bring you along and that's what we're gonna do today. So here's what I have. I have some paper towels to get all the spider webs out of there, paintbrush, some frog tape, white paint, a little screwdriver, and some water to clean it up. So I'm going to clean it up and we're going to start painting. All right, everyone. So here I am. It is, oh my God, it's 11:25 right now. When I recorded that first clip, it was like 2 o'clock. I don't know. So I'm in the house now and I'm about finished up painting the inside. I still have to paint a couple, like another coat, I think, on the outside, but I'm going to show you what I've been doing. So here it is. This is my daughter's playroom back here. I was using these styrofoam things. I had it like laid down on the ground before. And then I realized it was just going to be easier to stand it up. But I needed to paint the bottom. I wanted to make sure that was fully coated. And I think that looks good. That like square around the bottom doesn't need to be painted again. But it's coming together so good. I'm so excited. So let me show you this. First of all, this is the glass I broke because I stepped on it because I didn't see it. But this is my door in. It's on the side here. I shouldn't close it all the way. I think there's paint still drying in there. So this is the door though. The front doesn't have a door. The front is just one piece of glass. See, like it's a little streaky here. It just needs another coat. What is that? Oh, that's the hinge. I think I'm mad at myself for not taking the hinges off and painting those right. But the inside looks pretty decent. Like that's a pretty, oh, it's wet still. But yeah, no, it was pretty good coverage in the side. So I think the inside is about done. I want to do another coat up here because I think that's going to be really, important from the front. Like I think it's going to be very obvious. Like that doesn't look great. This is the original hole for the original light. That light, I'm not going to be putting a light through there because of the grow lights that I bought. This part at the top is going to have a mirror. And the rest of the back was also a mirror, but I'm not going to do that because I think grow lights with a mirrored background, it's just going to be really hard to look at. It's going to be too bright. So tonight I need to finish, I'm about finished painting and I want to just finish that spot at the top of the arch, like I said, because I can paint the outside once it's like on the wall still, like it's against the wall, because I need to mount it to the wall. So tonight I need to finish painting and pretty much get it together. So let's see if we can finish this up. I'd like to be done before midnight, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So okay, so the interior has 3, maybe 4 coats of paint, but it is very opaque now. I don't think I need to do maybe another coat. Well, this is the door. I didn't paint this part, but I painted here. I painted up the top. It looks pretty good. I could probably do another coat in like this this arched area, and I don't know why I didn't think about this till after. I think I should remove this where the old light was because that looks dumb, but I might not. I might just like cover that. I don't know. It's just so much work that like I always get into these projects. I'm like, oh, it'll take me like 2 days. It's Sunday. It's gonna take me longer than 2 days. And then I'm also mad at myself for not taking the door off. Like I painted the hinges. It looks really bad, so I'm gonna take that off and clean up the hinges, clean up the door. I'm also gonna get like some, this is where I broke the glass. I'm gonna get some, I think, windshield glass, and I should be able to seal it, because why am I don't want to throw it away. I don't want to throw away the whole pane to replace it. So that's where I'm at right now. Hopefully tonight I can finish painting the exterior, which needs at least another coat. See it over here? Needs at least one more coat, maybe 2. This could use here a little wood filler. It's a little schmutzy. Could fix that too. And then the whole thing needs a nice sand before I top coat it, but that is going to be probably something that I do on Tuesday. Today's Sunday. So Tuesday I'll probably take it out to my garage so I can put top coat of some sort on it. Yeah, hopefully I can be done with this Wednesday. I was really hoping to be done with it today and get it set up. But Wednesday I think we can bring it back in the house, put all the plants in it, put the lights in it. I'm excited for that. All right. I'll see you in the next update. Okay, so now I'm covering the backer board in this gray and white chevron contact paper. I got this at Dollar General for $2.75, I think. I grabbed 2 rolls of it, which was exactly how much I needed. So now I've laid out my contact paper, and as you can see, I'm pulling out the wax paper, like the backer paper of the contact paper, from underneath. And I'm just using an old credit card to smooth it out and get rid of any air bubbles. And I'm just going to do this all the way down. The key to putting contact paper on something is really just patience, because I've sped this up to 3 times the speed. So I'm going significantly slower than this. And when you get to the end, to make it a little bit more manageable, you're going to want to just cut off where you need to, and then just keep going. I also eventually end up cutting off this bottom layer because it was getting in my way. I kept hitting my TV console with it. And honestly, that's really it for laying this. You just take your time, use your credit card to smooth out any bubbles. The reason I decided to go with contact paper and not just paint this white or like a color or something is because I knew that I wanted to keep my humidity a little bit higher in this cabinet. So I wanted something that was going to be a little water resistant and like at least not damage this. It's like a particle board, and keep the water away from that so that it wouldn't start bowing. We'll see how it works. I think it should work pretty well considering that it's used in bathrooms and kitchens. All right, so we cleaned up the cabinet, we painted it white, we added the contact paper, we put it all back together, added the new grow lights. I just put some plants in there. I'm so excited to show you the grand reveal because it came out so much better than I expected it to. I really love it. So anyway, here is the grand reveal. All right, I hope that you liked this china cabinet turned terrarium greenhouse as much as I love it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you thought this project was awesome. Give me a sub if you want more videos about making things for your plants, about your house plants, just about plants in general. And I can't wait to see you in the next one. All right, bye.